Magic here. This video is going to show us how to set up Blender efficiently and change our units measurements to Imperial. When you opened up Blender, I trust you found the icon on your desktop open to this splash screen. And go ahead and click anywhere. First thing we're going to show you is to change your measurements. Over here on the right here, there's the Scene Properties tab. Go ahead and click on right there where it says Units. Then go ahead and select Imperial, and I recommend you keep it on feet, pounds, and seconds. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our hotkeys. Blender uses lots of hotkeys, and it's going to be way more efficient if you set them up like so. Go ahead and hover over this top box, and I want you to right click, change shortcut, and then type the letter W. The same thing for the next one. We're going to do G, we're going to go R, and then we're going to go S. Those will be the only four we'll do today. Go ahead and do that, and I'll wait. Now that we have our hotkeys set up, we're going to show you how to navigate easily with Blender. First thing we're going to learn is how to view our object that's already selected in the middle here. Please notice the hotkeys I'm pressing lower left hand corner. The middle mouse button is what will let you orbit to see your view. You can also hold Shift and the middle mouse button to pan your view. In order to manipulate an object, there are several ways. We can press our hotkey G to move our object, and we'll see this little helper come up here. If we grab inside the white circle, it's a free movement. Press right while holding left mouse to cancel that movement. The same is true with these. This is the y-axis only, the x-axis only, and of course the z-axis only. The opposite is true with these little squares. You'll see that it moves everywhere except the axis I'm grabbing. In this case it's the x-axis, so I do have up and down and along the y-axis. And of course the same with rotate. We have our little helper. If you grab inside the white box, you'll see a free rotation, much like a trackball. If you grab the white, it's in your viewport view. The arrows, of course, are the axis, axis, and axis. Press W when you're finished doing something. This will help you to not make any mistakes while manipulating your objects. The last thing we're going to try to show you is go ahead and press the letter N, and you'll see a little menu come up on the right over here. We're going to go ahead and turn this clip start down so that when we do zoom into our object, we can get pretty close and it won't bother us. I'll show you how that works. I'm going to turn that up and you'll see it cut right out. So I'm turning it down so I can zoom close and get real close to my object. Pressing N moves this toolbar in and out. This toolbar is the T button. You'll see it come in and out. And the last thing we're going to do is have you do a save. I'm going to go under File here, and you see this little defaults here. We're going to save our startup file, so the next time we start, we'll be utilizing the proper units of Imperial measurement. Go ahead and click OK, and you are ready to start using Blender. And don't forget to click the link in the description to both support me and continue learning.